Okay, let's go with the setup. So here I have all the encoders wired up. Since they are working properly, I see no problem here. These are the shieldings which are connected to the ground of supply. I don't know if this is correct, but this is the way I've done it. These are the outputs. Outputs are connected according to this page 12. So for the first channel, analog output niche, I've connected pin 15 and pin 20. For the analog output 1, 3 and 8, and for number analog output 2, 16 and 21. Also, I've connected this shielding, which are going here down the drives as I have it in the previous way. Okay, let's start out now the supply, power supply for the drives and power supply for DCP. Since I have it locked, I will make it running on axis 0. Connect. Download the file. Since I've already copied to the Mach, I will use this file, dcpmc, from the Mach directory. Open. Okay, it's excellent. Let's check out the pit parameters for the axis 0. These are set like this. Then I will power up the drives. Okay, I will close it. This is the 0 axis position. Arm it. Yes. It cannot arm. Let's try it once again. Now it has engaged. While this is because the situation that when having no output, this is the drive for Z-axis, the motors are slightly moving, as you can see. This is Z-axis, also the Y-axis slightly moves. You can see, while the X-axis, while it is engaged now, is standing still. It is jerking and shaking quite a bit, but this I will probably need to tune up in my drives. Okay, it is engaged. Let's make some movement. I will make it 100, 10, and 10, and start movement. So every port here okay. Also the motor moved and stopped like it should. So okay. But let's go to the next axis. Axis 1 with same configuration of pit cannot arm it. I have. So this is the epsilon axis. It is holding now, but I cannot make it run. So this is the execution, and the motor doesn't move. Quite strange. See that the motor is still trying to hold the peak position. A bit closer. Anyway, it's strange. When trying some different parameters for